Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and today on Uncle Chris, we're gonna do seasonings, but with no salt.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey guys, do you have high blood pressure? Do you like barbecue? Do you like tacos, but not all the salt that the seasonings have in them? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make those seasonings, but without all the salt, okay? We're gonna make a barbecue seasoning, and I love barbecue. But sometimes barbecue can be salty. So, the first thing I'm gonna do, start with an empty container. I have 1/2 cup barbecue seasoning. The cat's running around acting crazy. I'm gonna put that in. Did I say barbecue seasoning? I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, the brown sugar is acting up, so we're gonna put it in like this. There's more than one way to do it, I tell you. All right. Now, you're gonna need some smoked paprika, okay? You can find this in the store. A whole tablespoon of smoked paprika. Then, we're gonna take some garlic powder. Ooh, I can smell that smoked paprika. We're gonna take a whole tablespoon, and maybe a little more, of garlic powder. I'm squatting down so you can see me. I'm gonna get me a little stool and put this back on. Then you're gonna take some onion powder, a whole teaspoon, excuse me, tablespoon. I have not been nipping again. I swear. I swear. All right. Whole tablespoon of your onion powder. Remember, all the spices are going to be a tablespoon except for the brown sugar. Then we're going to put in a tablespoon of chili powder. Okay? Oh, yeah. Then, I got to get me a little stool. I'm going to take and put in a whole tablespoon of black pepper. Okay. Now, of course, you can customize yours and make it hot if you want. What am I doing? Lord have mercy. I'll put the top somewhere. You can put some cayenne pepper in this if you choose. Take your seasoning, mix it up with a spoon. I'll mix it up real good now. You can tell how good your seasoning is going to be by the color. If it comes out a bit red, you got it right. A brownish red. Oh, yes. Oh, put my shaker top on. I always keep one of these spice containers when I make my spice. You can also, but I wanted to do that because of the brown sugar. I wanted to make sure it was broken up and would incorporate with everything. Now, I'm gonna step over there. Look at that. You see that color? That is some good barbecue seasoning. You rub your ribs with this, or your chicken, or whatever you're gonna barbecue. Oh, and the smoky smell from that smoked paprika is divine. is divine. Now, let's make some taco seasoning or sazon without the salt. Come on. Have all the spices you need in your spice cabinet already. But you might not. Now, I'm using red for taco. You're gonna need the main spice you're gonna need in this is some cumin, okay, and something called achiote. Now, it might have another name to it. But you see this? This is the other main spice you're gonna need, and it is essential. All right, you can find this in any Spanish store that might be by you, or if they have a Spanish section in the world spice section in your local market, okay? So what I'm going to do, once again, I'm taking me equal parts of it. So I'm taking me a bigger, keeping helping, tablespoonful. I'm going to eyeball this. As long as you got equal parts of it, you're good. I'm going to take my cumin and put the same amount in. Okay? Now, I've been doing this a while, but you guys measure. Okay? Now, once I got that, I'm going to take my chili powder. Put some of that in. Same amount. I'm going to take my garlic, put that in. I'm going to take my onion powder. You see these staples? And put that in. As soon as I find it. Nah. If it was a snake, it would have bit me, I'll tell you. And I want some black pepper in mine. Shake your spices and mix them up real good. And there you have it. Taco seasoning without the salt. That is good. You got your cumin in there, achiote, and your other spices. That's going on. Barbecue spice, taco spice, salt free. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what I do for my Uncle Chris spice. It's an all-around spice you can put on just about anything. I take equal parts of everything. I'm gonna take some garlic. Okay. About a tablespoon. I always eyeball my own seasoning. I'm gonna put the same amount of onion powder. So it's a 50-50 mix. Then we're gonna take some Italian seasoning. Put that in. Same amount. About a tablespoon. Hello, Shy. I'm going to take some parsley. Put a tablespoon of that in. I'm going to add some thyme to it. Oh, yeah. did I put some black pepper? You can't have too much black pepper. All right. Put my top on. Give it a good shake. Oh, this smells wonderful. And I have an all-purpose spice I can put on anything. Ain't that something, y'all? So, if you're looking for salt-free spices, you already got them in your spice cabinet. You basically do. You make it yourself and you save money. So, let's take a look at some of the prices of the salt-free items. Now here we have some salt-free seasonings, and just look at the prices. $7.49 on sale. 2 for $6 on sale. $6.99, $2.49, $1.99, which is all sold out, of course. Yes, there's a lot of variety of them, but they're small. And let's face it, they're overpriced. Yeah. Not sponsored, but look at that. Yeah. Did you see those prices? Really? Some of them were $7 for one thing. Look, we have 1, 2, 3 spices that we can use and make as much of as we want and eat as much of as we want without raising our blood pressure. Alrighty. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to also write me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. I want you all to try these spices. I want you to show me what you made. Take pictures, and I'm going to feature it on the show. All right. Tune in tonight. I got a soda pop video. Pineapple soda. Ooh, how to make your own soda pop. Yes. And I'll even have a diabetic version of it. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.